Welcome to Ziltech. Today we are going to see about swapping swapping of two numbers swapping of two numbers in Python. How to swap two numbers in Python. So how we can perform, sir? We have somewhat different techniques. We'll see first technique what is there, second technique what is there, both we'll discuss. So what is, we need to understand what is swapping. What is swapping? So swapping is nothing but interchanging of two variables values. Assume these are two variables, like this is a and this is b. This is a variable and this is a b variable. Variable is nothing but it refers to a value or a data. So in a I am storing value like 5. In b I am storing a value like 7. So here the b value 7 should be there in a, should be placed, should be stored in a, and a value 5 should be stored into b. This we call swapping. Nothing but this 5 should be become 7 and this b value should be become 5. This is we called as swapping. This is nothing but swapping. Interchanging of values of two variables is nothing but swapping. Nothing but swapping. How to do swapping, sir? By using assignments only. By using assignments. How to do assignments, sir? So we already know, like if I declare a equals to 5, this is called assignment. This is nothing but an assignment, a variable declaration, and this is we call as assignment. A is assigned with a 5 value, nothing but our 5 value is placed on a. Same way b is assigned with 7. B is assigned with 7. Now this b value is commented into 7. That is a assume. That is our example. Swapping, sir. A value should be 7 and b value should be 5. How to do, sir? Same assignment. Generally all will think, like we can place a equals to b. A equals to b. What is happening here? The b value is coming to a. B value is coming to a. Now this a is modified with 7. A is modified with 7. Now same way b equals to a. B equals to a. But a is there 7 and b also became 7. Modified as is modified, but for same value only it modified. It modified with same value only. Then this is not a swapping, only a has swapped, not b. B value is not changed. How to do swapping, sir? Our original, our a value is not there, it's gone, it's removed. Before removing that a value 5, we will store into one more variable. We'll store into one more variable. So we'll see about that. Now before that, the a value I want to store. And the name I can give any name, like temp. Like temporary variable. First, before sending, I want to send to like temp variable. The a value I want to send to temp variable. Now it will store, temp will store 5. This is your first step we need to do. Next, sir, now 5 is stored. Now we can change the value of a. Now this b value should be assigned to a. This is your second step. This is your second step. How so? Like 5 will become like 7. 5 will become like 7. Now here should become 5. The b value should store 5. We have already temp. Before modifying a, we already store it one variable. Now our third step will going to be this. Temp will be assigned to b. Will assign to b. Now it will be 5. Now it will be 5. Now what will be the assignments here, sir? First, what is the step? A value is assigned to temp. Nothing but a we need to assign to temp. A we are assigning to temp. And next, what we do? B we are assigning to a. B assigning to, we are assigning to a. I am assigning to a. And last step, third step, temp I am assigning to b. Temp I am assigning to b. Temp value I am assigning to b. This is nothing but swapping of two numbers. We will see about in programmatically how we can perform in programmatically. So first I am taking a variables like same a equals to 5 and same b equals to 7. A equals to 5 and b equals to 7. First of all, I want to print the values. Print before swap a equals to, I want to print and b equals to and b before. Then our logic goes here. Now our logic goes here. Before logic we need to declare one temp variable, yes, like temp, and I'm assigning temp like temporary value like 0. Next, what is our first step? What we did? Temp equals to a. And next, what we did? See, a equals to b. And next we did b equals to temp. And then I want to print after swap. A equals to comma a, b equals to comma b. Save the program. I will save. Yeah. Open command prompt. I want to check Python, and my file name is demo.py. Just click. See, before swap a is 5 and b is 7. After swap a is 5, b equals to 7. This is our swapping. This is a one technique you are going to be seen. And in interviews they may ask in shortcut way. So by here we are using 3 variables. Okay, in interview they are asking in 2 variables. Can we solve in 2 variables? Yes, in Python it is possible to do in 2 variables. How we can do in 2 variables? Simple. In Python we have one more assignment, like multiple assignment, like a comma b equals to b comma a. B equals to b comma a. Save the program with Ctrl S and compile it. See, Python. A equals to 5, b equals to 7, and a equals to 7 and b equals to 5. Somewhere you have confusion. 1 minute. I'll change the values. Like like 3, like 3. Now you does not have any confusion. Just see, a equals to 3, b equals to 7, and a equals to 7 and b equals to b. What is happening here? That is a very important. What is happening here, sir? Is nothing happening. Multiple assignment is possible in Python. Nothing but it is performing like a, yeah, a comma b equals to b comma a. What is happening here, sir? Simple. A value, b value is coming to a, and a value is coming to b. B value is coming to a and a value is coming to b. It is a single step, so that's why there is not going to be any modification. This is a single line. This is a single line assignment we can be done. It is nothing but like you can take like left comma right equals to right comma left, right comma left. Nothing but this right value is coming to sit in into left, and your left value is coming to sit in into right. This is done in single line. No need of any third variable. No need of any third variable. By performing this, you can do this swapping of two numbers.